Okay, good afternoon all of you. Myself Vikash Agrawal, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department. Today we will teach topic 2D force system in engineering mechanics. Okay, let us start. So we discuss today 2D force system. So before discussing this topic, we know what you mean by force. Okay, so what you mean by force? So here I will explain what you mean by force. Force is nothing but a vector quantity which try to change the position of the body from rest to motion or motion to rest. Okay. So suppose this is force P which is applied on this object. So when this body will move, suppose this body rests on the ground surface. So when two body comes in contact, there is a frictional force which is acting opposite to the motion. Suppose this frictional force is acting at the two contact surface, and this frictional force always opposite to the motion of the body. Here P force acting left to right and frictional force will be acting right to left. Suppose here I assume frictional applied force is 10 Newton and suppose frictional force is 9 Newton, then body will not move, body will stable here. Suppose this applied force is more than this, suppose this is 12 Newton, then the body will move from left to right. Okay, so force, it is a vector quantity which try to change the position of the body from rest to motion or motion to rest. Okay, it has the unit of force is Newton. The unit of force is Newton, and force has three characteristics: its magnitude, its direction and its point of application. Okay, then next topic in that we discuss the resolution of force. Next topic is the resolution of the force. So how we can understand what is mean by resolution of force? So first question is that why we resolve the forces. Suppose here I draw one object and suppose I apply a force 10 Newton, then we can easily predict that body will move from left to right. Okay, and suppose same magnitude of force of 10 Newton acting down to up, so we can easily predict body will move upward direction. But suppose this 10 Newton force, suppose this is 10 Newton force which is inclined to the surface and which makes the angle here 30 degree. So in this case we cannot predict body move in left direction or right direction. So for knowing the effect of the inclined force, we can resolve it into two components. Suppose, so there is a procedure of resolution of force, or we can say there are some rules. First of all, we want to see whether the angle makes with x-axis or y-axis. So here this 10 Newton makes the angle with x-axis. So x component will be cos, remaining will be sin. So as per this, the x component means 10 cos 30 degree and y component 10 sin 30 degree. Okay, so we can resolve the force in this way. So there are some rules for the resolution of force. First rule is that the component which makes the angle or the axis which makes the angle always cos, remaining will be sin. So after calculation, suppose it is comes to that this is 5 Newton, suppose this is 7.5 Newton. Force acting along x Newton is x direction is 5 Newton and along y direction is 7.5 Newton. So from this we come to the conclusion that body will move along y direction. But before we cannot predict body whether move along x direction or along y direction. So question is that why we resolve the forces? To knowing the effect of the inclined force on the body, we resolve into two components. So this is the concept of the resolution of the force. Okay, thank you.